Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track AliExpress package. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right. Then you have to enter section My Orders right here, and now here you want to find order that you want to track. Then tap on it to open its details and find button that says tracking. So press that button and you should see something like this. This is tracking information page. So here you can see your estimate delivery time, which is very convenient, also your carrier and your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates that are located right here. But if you don't want to use your AliExpress application, you can also copy your tracking number into universal tracking website like 17track. This is website that AliExpress suggests me, but I personally prefer more website that is called parcelapp.com. So here enter your tracking number, then tap this icon, and it will pull all information from all the courier systems. But do not start to panic if your tracking looks stuck, because AliExpress logistics can be a little slow to update, and sometimes it only refreshes when your package arrives to your country. So that's basically how you can track your package on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.